Bhutan, pretty much we are going to different settings. Like this is a school, we were at a monastery yesterday, we go to the marketplaces, we go to communities, we go to little villages. It's a complete program in a way where with the government partnership, we are able to hit the most interior areas, remotest of areas which need us the most.
It's a cooperative effort between the Bhutan government and HSI, and we will be here for 3 to 5 years, moving to different parts of the country, addressing the problem through spaying and neutering. The one thing you'll notice in Bhutan are the street dogs. As you can see behind me, there's quite a large pack, and this is the type of thing you will see throughout the city at any given point.
Most of these dogs are community dogs. People coexist with them, they are fed, they are enough food sources, and the dogs just live on the street harmoniously with people. The ultimate aim is to help Bhutan reach a 70% sterilization population target. The aim is to then get them on our fields, train them. Both these dogs are sterilized. And hand over the project to them for them to continue sterilization of the remaining 30%.
We do have a catching team that goes out into any given community and will catch the dogs. And those dogs are brought back to a facility in any given community we may be working in, and that is where the spaying and neuter takes place.
Any invasive surgery, it requires veterinarians to perform it. When we came in, the biggest problem was that Bhutan did not have enough veterinarians. We had to bring in our own trained staff.
Following the spaying and neutering of the animals, they are then released directly back into the community they came from. We also mark the animal through an ear notch.
This ear is dipped.
A visible marking to show anyone that this animal has not only been spayed and neutered, but it's also been vaccinated against rabies.
Wherever you go, you will find so many dogs, and if they are not, healthy, and they might get the rabies, and then they can spread to the people, so it can be harmful to the community.
We were introduced to HSI through Bhutan Foundation. My department, representing the government, is responsible for animal health. Our area, we have rabies outbreaks here and then.
Rabies is an issue in this country, and it's a very big concern among the Bhutan government. And that is another reason that we're here, to address the rabies concern.
We really meant to do quality service. The dogs were going to be healthy and happy with all the vaccinations and the welfare component. So wherever we now go, it is an ideal situation which I have never seen with my work in different parts of the world. People are extremely supportive, people are extremely happy and grateful that we are helping the animals. The intervention that we are carrying out on the animals is also helping them.
It is an opportunity for the rest of the world to see this as a model of how it can work when you apply the same methodology of spaying and neutering, which is the only way to truly reduce the number of dogs over the course of time. It's certainly the most humane and the most effective. and applying that model on a nationwide scale is what truly works.